I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that day. Bitches on my line, and you know.
After analyzing some qualified journals as the data of this research, the research found some results as follows. Fris Mujono et al. Found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. Comprehension, it can be seen from the data the linguistic intelligence gave 44% effects on academic achievement. Moreover, the research also found that emotional intelligence saw a wax effect on the student achievements rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said that linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution towards students' achievement in English, including reading and comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate some result of this study specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence more give contribution towards student academic achievement than emotional and intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. Reported that linguistic intelligence become a strong predictor of student reading comprehension. Then the participant of this study was Iranian student who took English major. Practically speaking, it's also not that linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It was proven by the result of the relation coefficient was 62, which means there was a quite strong relation between student linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of this study was English Education Department student. It also found that linguistic intelligence gives strong effects on student English skill, including reading. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted the student reading performance because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed about, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved the student linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. That the study that was conducted by Dewi showed that linguistic intelligence gives positive influence on student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of this study was 2193 Indonesia student at Madrasah Pembangunan Jakarta. From this study it claimed that the students who had good linguistic intelligence tended to have a good reading comprehension because English language variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the student reading comprehension ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student successful in learning a language because of involved the student's cognitive process. In editing, it also found some indicator of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to read. Second, the student often spoke what they have read. This, they were good at spelling patterns. Next, they like playing word games and poems. Then the student can keep their books collection. Also, they can remember general knowledge, quotes, and words easily. Last, the student had good knowledge about language use. Based on those indicators, it can be said that the student who have dominant linguistic intelligence have tended to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence can increase the student's ability in reading because they understand what they have read easily. Particularly speaking, the student and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habits and learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new ideas in teaching, learning process, and courses the appropriate teacher material that fit with the student linguistic intelligence. For Dewi and Wilani, I pointed that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was shown from the record was 0.66, which means that linguistic intelligence gives positive influence towards reading comprehension. Moreover, the reads also explains that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen through the some following indicators. First, the student can write a story or essay about their daily experience. Second, they can express their ideas clearly. This the student has rich vocabulary. For the student enjoy in reading many kinds of the text, such as books, newspaper, magazine. Fifth, the student can spell the word in foreign language easily. Sixth, seven, they can do a storytelling. It can be inferred that the student's linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in using a language. Besides e-learning process, it is crucial to use the appropriate strategy based on the student's linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension because linguistic intelligence can reflect the student successful in reading comprehension. Fifth, Aulia and Nuardi found that there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data showed that for 5.6% of the student reading comprehension was influenced by the student linguistic intelligence, which meant linguistic intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension. Then the participant of this study was 5 Indonesian students. It also maintained that the study reading comprehension would be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased, as it was discussed about the student reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence. Because it can help them in using the language effectively, thus it is important for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activities that relate with language learning. For example, by reading aloud, writing a story and retell the story, also playing the word game. Sheikh Hasanuddin and Fitrianisi found that there were some indicators of linguistic intelligence of students in reading subjects. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioning words, such as they can express the word in his meaning just by reading the title of the books. Second, the students were enjoying wordplay. For example, enjoying the Scrabble games, they can answer the question and align the word correctly. This they can explain the meaning of the word that they have read and discussed it. What most students were having difficulties in mathematics lesson, they prefer English, social, and history lesson than mathematics. Thus, the data showed that they only answer the mathematics question randomly because it was difficult for them. They also prefer reading short stories, first in doing the conversation the used some word that relates to something they have read and heard before, such as what that they had heard from their classmates and the word that they had read from actually. Six, the student had the ability in writing the poetry based on their personal experiences in line with the findings about the indicator of linguistic intelligence can be seen the rocks the student characteristic in learning process. Therefore, it can be inferred that the students who have good linguistic intelligence tend to have creative thinking because they can read poems and read in the form of their classmates. In contrast, based on Elena et al., it was found. In contrast, based on Elena et al., it was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence on their study. Besides, the participant of this study was two Indonesian undergrad students. Also, the was maintained that the aim of this study was not for generalization, but the result of this study was solved by phenomena in learning a language. The results showed some aspects of the student linguistic intelligence. First aspect is rhetoric, that is the ability in using the linguistic effectively to persuade others. However, the results show that only 3 of 2 students who used the linguistic effectively to persuade others. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic factor in persuading others and delivering their idea in spoken and written form. Second aspect is mnemonics, that is the ability in memorizing the information. It was found only 2 of 2 students who can remember and retell the information or the story of the text that they have read. This aspect is explanation, that is the ability in delivering the information oral and read. It was found that the students still facts information in using descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their idea. Also, only on students who use it in well when the word a poem from express in mental language, that is the ability in learning the language itself. It shows that its reading class the students were active participants in asking the question about the word that they is not familiar. From the result, it can be seen that its reading activity, the students still have the curiosity in learning a language, even though they still facts infusion in delivering their thoughts in spoken and read form. Rats, Reza, and Tabrizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the student reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. Comprehension among the It also found that students with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language effectively, that they were typical good at reading, playing word games, memorizing word storytelling, and making poetry. In line with the finding, Hashimi also attempted that linguistic intelligence made the strong contribution in predicting the student reading comprehension. In other words, the students should not ignore the people or intelligence because it influences their reading comprehension. In fact, the students are not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the students to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, by creating a learning strategy that relates with playing word games and storytelling that involves the student's ability in using a language. It is also supported by Gardner in Arnold and Fonseca, who stated that it is important to know and develop the individual different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individuals are different to each other that they have the combination of intelligence. Therefore, based on the result of this research, it found that studying linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading. Therefore, based on the result of his research, it found that studying linguistic intelligence gives significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading.
Audio Jungle.